Established in 1989, Premium Textile Mills is a pioneer in implementing efficient processes and the latest technologies. We proudly produce over 36 million kilograms of yarn annually and serve various partners across the globe. Our belief in the use of technology, coupled with stringent business ethics, is reflected in our quality and our portfolio of satisfied clients. All the raw cotton we procure is first tested for quality and then blended through a laydown optimization software to provide the optimal thread mix. Pre-tagged bales of cotton, chosen by the software, enter the Blendomat, which ensures a homogeneous blend of cotton for spinning different batches of yarn. The quality of our cotton blend is maintained by passing raw cotton through two testing units, the high-volume instrument HVY and the Advanced Fiber Information System AFIS machines in our purpose-built lab. The approved cotton tufts separated by the Blendomat then travel via air current to precision blending machines, where the various types of fibers are mixed. Here, the tufts pass through our double set of USTER JOSSI Vision Shield contamination control systems with Magic Eye technology. It has unrivaled detection capabilities thanks to new sensors and powerful imaging recognition technology, which boosts efficiency and reduces waste. From here, the cotton moves to carding, where our C75 Rieter cards separate fibers and further reduce impurities. The high-performance C75s achieve excellent sliver quality values at an exceptionally high production rate in all yarn applications. After carding, the cotton proceeds to combing, where the latest Rieter E86 machines are used. The E86, with its high production rate and unmatched quality, leads the way in combing. Drawing comes next, where Rieter RSB-D24 auto-leveling draw frame machines are used to ensure homogeneous mixing and blending of fibers. This ensures the most consistent slivers. The process then advances through the latest 2020 Marzoli Simplex machines with fully integrated auto-doffing. The bobbins then progress to the next step of ring spinning, where top-of-the-line Toyota RX 300F auto-doffing ring frames work together to give maximum output. High-efficiency motors and new pneumatic equipment ensure excellent energy-saving performance. From here, the Savio and Murata QPRO X2 autocone machines wind the best quality thread. The autoconer combines smart technologies for high performance with resource-saving production. The yarn cones then go through the conditioning machine. This machine is used to adjust the moisture of yarn and to improve strength and efficiency. The finished yarn is finally tested for quality in our state-of-the-art USTER Tester 5, UT5, where we check all possible parameters of the yarns that make us proud. We believe in employing world-class processes to create world-class yarn, a source of confidence for our partners.